You must have got out of your mind when you saw nearly 10,000 gone from the account.
Yes, I did. My heart sank.
Oh my God, Paul, you're down almost 10 grand. What happened?
I'm a Revolut user, and one day I was going to the coffee shop and I noticed my card was declined. I had been saving for a mortgage in that account, so I knew there was money in there.
Yeah.
So I just thought it was terminal issues with the shop. But going outside and checking it, I could see that 6 transactions were made the day previously, and about 10 grand in total was taken. And it was taken out in 6 minutes. So really, really fast, really, really quickly. And it was taken out in Spain. The user who added a virtual card managed to get access to my account, was able to bypass biometrics and a passcode to get into the app on their phone.
We've got in touch with Revolut. They have sent us in a statement in relation to this. And what they're saying is that Revolut insist that a one-time passcode, this OTP that you mentioned, that had been issued from within your app, and the transactions were authenticated. Now, I know you say you didn't receive the OTP, but they also say that an SMS had been sent about the addition of a new virtual card to your account.
It is an absolutely ridiculous statement. What good is an OTP being sent to an app on someone else's phone?